Hello viewers, welcome back again to Godfrey Mumbi Academy. So in today's lecture, let's answer this question that came in Science 2016, Science paper 2, that's chemistry. So the question is saying, given below is a list of substances. So we've been given a list of substances. We have aluminium, nitrogen, cement, potassium, chloride, bronze, water, methanol, and seawater. Then question A is saying which substance is an element. So for this question, you just have to know the definitions. The definitions are going to guide you on how you're going to choose the substances. An element, by definition, is a pure compound that cannot be, rather a pure substance that cannot be splitted up into two or more other substances. Okay, it is pure and it cannot be splitted up into two or more other substances. So in this case, you even have a periodic table which has elements. You can just check out. Aluminium and nitrogen are the only elements we have here. So any of those two, they only want one. So we are going to write here our A. We'll go with aluminium. Aluminium. Even nitrogen is a correct answer. Which substance is a compound? So a compound is a substance, is a combination of two or more substances that are chemically combined. So you understand that with a compound, the substances have to be chemically combined, not physically. So in this case, water is chemically combined. You don't combine hydrogen and oxygen physically. Even potassium chloride. Okay, so we're going to go with water here. For B, we'll say water. Then C, which substance is a mixture? Now the difference between a compound and a mixture is a compound is chemically combined, while if a mixture is physically combined. That's the only difference. So this is a mixture, it's a combination of substances, two or more substances that are physically combined. So if you look at this, you understand that bronze is actually a mixture. We don't combine copper and tin chemically, it's physically. But that's not the best answer here. We have seawater. This is the best example because you understand that seawater, we just have water and a lot of substances dissolved, which is physically combined. So for C, we're going to say seawater. Then, which substance is an element that conducts electricity? So I said we only have two elements, aluminium and nitrogen, and only metals conduct electricity. This is a non-metal, this is a metal. Then it has to be aluminium. So for D, we're going to say aluminium. Then the last question. From the above list, select one, Roman numeral 1, ionic compound. By definition, an ionic compound is a compound formed between a metal and a non-metal. Okay, and when you look here, we only have potassium chloride. Potassium is a metal from group 1. Chlorine is a non-metal from group 7. So this is an ionic compound. So our E, it's potassium chloride. Then the last one, select one alloy. We only have one alloy here, which is bronze. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Okay, mainly copper and tin. So this was Roman numeral 1, Roman numeral 2. We are going to say bronze. Alright, this is it. I hope you've gotten the explanations. Stay blessed and don't forget to subscribe.